Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel of Go High Level series, and in today's video we're gonna talk about the sub accounts window. So we will go through each options available in a sub accounts. It will be easier for you to navigate the entire account. Okay, all right. So without wasting a time, let's jump on a screen. All right. So yeah, this is the screen of sub accounts. Okay, we'll go through these options. First option is a Launchpad, and I'm already there. So this is what you're gonna see. Okay, it is about how to set up the entire account. That's it. Okay, so we are not discussing much about it, and even we are not going to discuss a lot of things in details on each of these options. I will just walk you through. Okay, so let's go to the next option, which is a dashboard. Okay, again I'm telling you, this is the fresh account, so you are not going to see any actual details. Okay, this is just for a reference. So okay, on the dashboard you will see the opportunity status. See, for example, how many opportunities you do have and what is the value of the whole value of the opportunity. Say for example, there are 126 opportunities and each opportunity is carrying $1 value, then opportunities values will be $126. all right, and this is the conversion. If I'm converting 10 opportunities, then my conversion value will be $10, and rate would be somewhere around 6 or 7%. I don't know exactly, but yeah, that's it is. Okay, next is a conversation, and here we will see the unified communication channel, meaning if someone is replying you on an email, you will see it over here. If someone is replying you on a WhatsApp, you will see it over here. So irrespective of a source, you will see everything over here. So I think it's easy to manage, and that's why Go High Level is best. Okay, all right. Next is the calendars. So like a Calendly, let's wait. Okay, so I think we all know what is a Calendly. We can set up appointments, so it's almost the same. You can create your different calendars and you can use them in your email to set up a meetings for your prospect. It's not big deal. Okay, so let's jump on the next, which is contacts. All right, this is the contact tabs. So here you can import a contacts, or you can create a single contact as well. So yeah, this is where you can import a contact. You can extract a contacts as well. You can add a tag, you can remove a tag, you can select multiple contacts, you can send them an email in one shot, you can send them a SMS in one shot. This is really interesting topic. Okay, and I want to take much time on this, but not in this video. I'll create a separate video on this. Okay, now let's jump on to a next option, which is opportunities. So opportunities is always considered as a potential business. Say for example, I do have this many opportunities as of now: Angela, Zil, Santi, Dimitri. So these are my potential prospect. I can convert them. So these are the opportunities. Now inside opportunities, you have to create a pipeline. Say for example, any marketing agency, okay, they are okay. So here real estate, okay, one niche is real estate. So if any marketing agency is targeting real estate, then there should be a separate pipeline I have to create with the name of that niche. Say for example, for the real estate, this is the pipeline: appointment booked, discovery call, strategy call, client yes, client no, client data. Okay, same way retreat. So yeah, email sent, appointment book, discovery call. So this is the pipeline. Actually, this is the pipeline. So we have to create a pipeline against each niche. All right, so we are not discussing much on this. Next is the payment. So payment is nothing but where you can define your products, you can assign the value of your each product, and yeah, you can set up an invoice, you can set up a recurring invoice. So everything you can do under a one roof. So that's the beauty of Go High Level actually. And as we move ahead using a Go High Level, you will really enjoy this automations or this CRM. This is monster actually. I'm telling you, this is a monster. Okay, so next is AI agent. Now all we know, entire world is crazy behind AI, and people gonna pay a lot of money, okay, when you are selling them voice agent or the conversation or conversion AI, voice AI or conversion AI. So Go High Level is already offering these two parameters or these two services. One is voice AI and second is conversion AI. Again, you can create a bot which is AI based. You can create a voice AI agent which is again AI based. Okay, now next is marketing. So this is also beauty. Okay, you can connect all the social media links or social media accounts with the Go High Level, and you can schedule your post at once. There is a social planner like HubSpot and all. There is emails as well, like you can do email automations, and you can monitor everything, like how many people have opened email, how many have clicked it, and how many have shown an interest. So it's also amazing. There are trigger links and many more things you can do. Automations. Okay, so this is the automation and people really love it. I'll show you one example. Okay, so I have created one simple automations for people who want to unsubscribe. Okay, so we have created a one trigger link, unsubscribed, and this link I am giving to a prospect in the email. So whenever someone is clicking on this link which has a name unsubscribed, okay, I have to tell system, please remove this contact from all the workflow or any specific workflow. That's it. So such kind of automations we can build, and it has a limitless capacity, I'm telling you. So yeah, and I love it. Not me, everyone loves this actually. Next is the sites. So sites is again a big pond, big oceans from Go High Level. So you will see funnels, like you can create landing page, then booking page, then thank you page inside this funnel. Then there's a website, so you will see a ready-made templates for the websites, and yeah, you can save your lot of time. There are blogs you can create a survey, you can create a form, a lot of these things. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing journey actually with Go High Level, trust me. Next is the membership. So if you are coach and consultant, this section is for you, where you can create your course, and you can create the membership, and you can do automations. You can send automated email. Okay, so there's a limitless things which you can achieve from this membership, and yeah, that's it. So let's move to next, which is media storage. It is giving you the option to connect your Google Drive or something over here, and you can, whatever you are uploading on your Go High Level, you will see it over here. Okay, next is reputations. Now if you want to generate a Google reviews, this is the best platform, I'm telling you. What you have to do is you just need to send a review request, but before that you have to set up your template, like what kind of messages you are going to send to your customers. That's it. And there are a lot of things we can achieve, but let's not talk these things over here in this call. It needs separate video, to be honest. Okay, next is reporting. So you can generate reports like you can see on the screen, right? Google Ads report, Facebook ad attribution report, call report, appointment report, audit report. There are many things. So these are the options, and yeah, these things you can build using Go High Level. There is also one thing, you might have a questions from where I can add a user. So this is the options. You can go inside my staff and you can add your people inside there. You can give the control, whatever control you want to give now. Okay, I think we have discussed all this: conversation AI, then voice AI agent, calendars, automations, email services. Okay, so that's it in this video, and we'll go one by one, or you will find my other videos somewhere. You can navigate to my channel and you will find the relevant video which you want to see. All right, thank you.